This major asset might actually show us a big clue on why Bitcoin is continuing to plummet along with the cryptocurrency. On today's short blog, we'll be discussing this inverse correlation asset along with the updates of Cardano, its hard fork, Grayscale, and the altcoins that it's eyeing, plus the market cycle on how we could navigate this market. One of the major reasons why Bitcoin and the rest of the cryptocurrencies are plummeting. We'll be also sharing the market cycle and along with all the theories and models on which part of the cycle we are, number of days, and even the waves of the previous bull market. First, here in CoinMarketCap, we could see here that we are still at the 1.3 plus trillion as our market cap. For Bitcoin is around 833 plus billion, and the rest of the altcoins against the US dollar, we continuously get red on each coins except for few coins that are still in green for the past 7 days and 24 hours. But with this, one coin is selling, and as you can see, Cardano now is on rank number 3. And checking on the news on what's going on in Cardano, it mentioned here that we'll have its hard fork. So one of the major exchange that will also support this hard fork is Binance. So to support the Cardano includes posting ADA deposits and withdrawal on Binance for about 5 hours. Trading will continue though. This comes as the coins reaches new all-time high and the market capitalizations keeps rising. So Binance announced yesterday, February 27th, that the trading platform will support the Cardano network upgrade and hard fork. The platform will suspend ADA deposits and withdrawals starting 4 o'clock on March 1st. Binance expects to restore full service around 9:45 UTC. So even though the exchange trading will continue, but during that time, any deposits and withdrawal will be suspended. The Cardano upgrade is the Gaussian rollout on March 1st, brings changes to the platform that keeps it on the cutting edge on decentralized finance. The rise of the DeFi platforms in 2020, high speed throughout and lower transaction costs. While many projects are looking to be able to connect together, Cardano is also working on the interconnects at a deeper level. On February 26, the project's teams announced support for the development language Glow. The integration is designed to help developers work across ecosystem. So what does it mean? This only means that Cardano now will be able to support smart contracts just like Ethereum. And along with this, might also include the NFTs or the non-fungible tokens. That's good news, a big and huge milestones when it comes to this asset. And with this, Grayscale also eyes out such as Cardano, Aave, Chainlink, and the new investment products. So over the last few months, Grayscale Investments has become one of the most important participants in cryptocurrency market. Now, in light of the growing competition in the field and success of its existing product, the asset manager is eyeing new ones to bring to its clients. So let's keep on these altcoins that people might take advantage while we are on the correction period. This might be our second chance to accumulate more coins for this bull market. The list mentioned here: Aave, BAT, Cardano, Chainlink, EOS, Atom, MakerDAO, Polkadot, Celsius, Synthetics, even Yearn Finance. Continuing our updates, Here I will be able to share to you guys this thing that I personally made, and I'll be showing to you where specifically we are now in this bull market. Currently, we are around 287 days since we started this bull market, and comparing it to the past 2013 run lasted for 371. The last 2016-2017 actually ran up to 525 days, and currently we are still on the 294 days. Along with this, we already run around 604% since the halving, while on previous halving we could see here it actually runs up to 4,120%. On the first halving, we could clearly see it even reaches to 2,037%. So based on this cycle, where do you think we are now? And you may feel free to comment down below if we will still continue to run this or we will have a deeper correction. And in relation to this, let me also share our article with regards to the reason why Bitcoin and the rest of the alts are going down, and where can we actually find the support, which is I just mentioned. On this blog, on my esteemed blog, you will be able to see that dollar index in a weekly time frame is actually breaking from this wedge that's been formed since March 2020. In an early time frame, it actually tested this falling wedge for several times now, and it's attempting again to break the 91 resistance. This will continue to break. The next target will be the 91.8 to 92 points. But if this will be rejected, there's a possibility that we might get a support around the 90 points. Here you will see that the orange is the Bitcoin run, while in the blue lines dollar index. As you can see, it continues to plummet. That's the time also that Bitcoin could move up. But when dollar attempts to bounce upward, Bitcoin is trying to have its correction. From here, you will clearly see the correlation between these two assets. If you wish to check the full details of the article in this blog, feel free to check the description down below and try to see what could be the next move and how we could navigate this. Let me also share to you guys the market cycle, because it seems like lots of people now are feeling the fear and stress. Here we could clearly see that we are still in the bull market. Just like we mentioned, there will be also a fear versus greed. It's about the psychology of when it comes to the cycle. And this article might be able to help us and assess where are we right now. Thus the market is giving us a second chance, opportunity to ride again this trend. I was able to consolidate all these models, including the stack to flow, on how we maximize the market. And from here, on the last image, I show here that in every bull market, it seems that there are 3 waves, and clear to see that since the halving, we are on the first wave. We could expect that there will be 2 more waves coming for this bull market. That's it for today. On our next video, I'll try to share to you guys a quick analysis of Bitcoin, Bitcoin dominance, Ethereum, and even Cardano. So feel free to comment down below, see if you have any additional assets or cryptocurrency that you'd like to include on our technical analysis. Ciao! This is Healthy Minds reminding you that we're not financial advisor, so always validate and do your own research.